वेलकम टू लर्न शॉर्ट एंड टाइपिंग विद विकास सर। फॉर पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट के लिए आपको डिक्टेशन डेली की डेली दी जा रही है और हम आपके लिए आज नई शुरुआत करते हैं हम अपनी एक मोटिवेशन कोड की। मोटिवेशन कोड क्यों होता है आपके लिए? क्योंकि ये मोटिवेशन कोड आपको हर दिन आपको अच्छे से अच्छा कुछ न कुछ सिखा के जाता है। देखो क्या एक अच्छा मोटिवेशन कोड आपके लिए क्या बोला गया है, क्यों 4 दिन मेहनत करके रुक जाते हो? क्यों 4 दिन मेहनत करके रुक जाते हो? अरे वक्त लगता है बीज को फसल बनने में। कितनी अच्छी बातें बोली गई हैं। देखो अगर आपके लिए काफ़ी सारे बच्चे आते हैं हमारे पास 4 दिन यानी 1 महीना 2 महीना शॉर्ट हैंड की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, शॉर्ट हैंड स्टार्टिंग करते हैं, लेकिन उस पर होमवर्क नहीं हो पाता इसलिए वो छोड़ देते हैं। या स्पीड पे जो बच्चे हैं 1 साल मेहनत करते हैं 1.5 साल मेहनत करते हैं वो छोड़ देते हैं। लेकिन हमें आगे से छोड़ना नहीं है, उसके लिए कुछ न वक्त लगता है। जितना आप मेहनत करोगे, जितने आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना ही आपको आउटपुट मिलेगा। ये नहीं है कि आप प्रैक्टिस कम की और जल्दी से जल्दी आपको रिजल्ट मिल जाता है। जितना आप मेहनत करोगे उसी का रिजल्ट मिलेगा, अदरवाइज़ किसी का रिजल्ट आपको नहीं मिलेगा। इसी के साथ शुरुआत करते हैं हम अपनी आज की डिक्टेशन। यह आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 16 एंड 17 आपकी 817 वर्ड्स होंगे। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। 80 word per minute. 3, 2, 1, start. By this application under section 397 read with section 401 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 bracket में the code bracket close the applicant has challenged the judgment and order dated 26th March 2003 made by the fast track court Amreli in criminal appeal number 5 of 2001, whereby the judgment and order dated 2nd March 2001 made by the learned judicial magistrate first class Lathi convicting the applicant for the offences punishable under sections 279, 304A, 337 and 338 of the Indian Penal Code and sections 177 and 184 of the Motor Vehicles Act, and sentenced the applicant to simple imprisonment for 2 years as well as fine of ₹2,000 in default to undergo further simple imprisonment for 6 months has been confirmed. Para. The facts of the case stated briefly are that an offence came to be registered against the applicant alleging that on 25th June 1993 at about 17 hours the applicant was driving ST bracket में state transport bracket close bus number GS 1-T-9699 at full speed and in a rush and negligent manner, that by causing serious injuries to the said victims who came under the wheels, whereby Jagmohan Raghavji dead on the spot and Samji Kanji dead while under treatment in the hospital, as well as by causing minor injuries to other persons and causing damage to rickshaw as well as cabins. The applicant had committed the offences punishable under section 279, 304A, 337 and 338 of the Indian Penal Code bracket में IPC close and under sections 177 and 184 of the Motor Vehicles Act. Stop. Para. The learned judicial magistrate first class Lathi upon conclusion of the trial after appreciating the evidence on record held that the applicant was guilty of the offences punishable under sections 279, 304A, 337 and 338 of the Indian Penal Code and sections 177 and 184 of the Motor Vehicles Act and convicted him as recorded here in above para. Mr. M.O. Broad, learned advocate for the applicant, has vehemently assailed the orders passed by the courts below. Stop. Inviting attention to the evidence led by the parties, it is strenuously argued that most of the victims had turned hostile, hence the evidence on record was not sufficient to establish the guilt of the applicant qua the offences in question. It is further submitted that none of the witnesses have actually witnessed the incident, and as such, if they cannot be said to be eye witnesses, and as such the evidence of such witnesses does not have much evidentiary value. Stop. After completion of the investigation, the police submitted charge sheet against the respondent herein under sections 302 and 394 of the IPC in the Court of Judicial Magistrate Basi, who in turn committed the case to the Court of Sessions. The learned Sessions judge framed charges against the accused under sections 302 and 394 of the IPC, to which the accused pleaded not guilty and claimed to be tried. During trial, the prosecution, in support of its case, examined as many as 21 witnesses and exhibited some documents. Thereafter, the accused was examined under section 313 CRPC for the purposes of enabling him to explain the circumstances existing against him. The accused, however, did not examine any witness in his defense. On completion of the trial, the learned trial court passed an order of conviction holding the act used respondent guilty for the offence under sections 302 and 394 of the IPC. After passing the order of conviction, the accused was heard on the question of sentence, and thereafter the Sessions judge passed an order sentencing him to undergo life imprisonment with fine. Being aggravated by the aforesaid judgment and order passed by the trial court, the respondent herein filed an appeal in the High Court of Rajasthan, which was registered as DB Jail Appeal number 331 of 1996. The aforesaid appeal came up for hearing before the division bench of the Rajasthan High Court. Being aggravated, after screening the evidence on record, the High Court held that there was no eyewitnesses to the occurrence, and the entire case of the prosecution rests on the circumstantial evidence. Each of the circumstances allegedly making a chain was examined by the High Court and on scrutiny thereof held that none of the said circumstances led to the inference that the respondent had committed the aforesaid offence. The High Court held that the circumstances relied upon by the prosecution are full of discrepancies and they do not inspire confidence so as to conclude that the accused had committed the offence. The High Court held that the statements of the prosecution witnesses relating to the accused last seen with the deceased do not inspire confidence, for none of them specifically said that the accused followed the deceased to the field where the occurrence had taken place. So far, the second circumstance that the accused was found running from the place of incident just after the incident is concerned, the High Court has pointed out discrepancies in the evidence of PW as 4, 7, 8 and 9. Full stop.